Go ahead and get this day started. Like always, there's always something to do all the time. Man, gotta get all them leaves up right there. They starting to pile up. Getting kind of thick there. Oh yeah, it's Miss Crimson Truck Pride 2. Got to work on her today. Got a couple of things to do. So let's get busy. What is going on, family? This your boy. I'm out here with Crimson Truck Pride 2, and we're doing our thing. She needs some work done on her today. Got a couple things to do. So I guess we're going to get started. It's kind of misty out here, foggy this morning, but that don't stop the work. So with that said, y'all know it always starts with coffee. Whew, that's coffee from the house, which y'all know is always community coffee. All right, y'all, let's get started. So we're gonna raise this hood. Oh man, get too old to be raising the hood. Thing feel like it weigh 1,000 pounds. Now what we got is, we got a line right here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna have to get some lights. Y'all hold on a minute and shine in there, as you can see. Okay, fam, what we got, as always, they go plain. Trying to always stop my interview, but anyway, hold on, let's give it a minute. We'll get back. Okay, family, what we have, I'm trying to get this light in here. Let's see, maybe I can turn it. Let's see, give me a second. I can hook it on here. Okay, what we have is that line right there. And that's what's not leaking there, it's leaking, and it goes all the way back. Let's see. All the way back in there. Y'all probably can't see as far, and I don't even know how I'm gonna reach that back in there. I don't know if I gotta go underneath the truck. Probably do, but that look like this gonna be a tough little job. But anyway, we gotta do it. We gotta stop it from leaking air. So let's get to it. Okay, family, so what we gotta do, we gotta take that side off right there again. That side right there off, so we can get in between here and can get down up under here and try to get that hose in the back. That's gonna be the toughest part, so let's go ahead and take that loose. Okay, family, as you can see, we got the side off, give us more access. And on this side right here, you have the airline to come over here, so it's a little more difficulty than taking the other side off. But you got the airline right there, you got to take the two bolts off. Now the other side doesn't have it. So now that gives us a little more access to kind of get in between here and try to get that hose. As y'all can see, I can zoom in a little better since I got the side off. See, y'all see that brass line right there, what I showed you, and it goes all the way back here, back up under there. Probably right there we see all them color lines at, somewhere right in there. So I'm gonna have to try to reach up and get in there. So let's get our size wrench and let's see what we can do. Okay, family, well, I figured gonna make it a lot easier. There's a air box. Let me see if I can zoom in and get to it right there. If I can take that off, I think it's right behind there, that line where it's connected. That's probably gonna be the easiest way, because they make this thing so tough to get to that everything is kind of tight over there. So we're gonna go get our air, well, not air, impact gun, and let's try it from there. We'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, family, I got the line out. Man, it was tough trying to get that line out, but this is the line. Ooh. And where it was leaking, somewhere back here is leaking. So we got another line we're gonna replace this with. And that was a copper line, so I don't know how it was leaking, but it might have been there since the truck was on this. I mean, since the truck was made. So anyway, let's get the new line. That's the new line. Hopefully that fits. It screws on the other one. I'm not sure if it's going to work, but I hope it do, because I got a lot of stuff tore apart and I got to deliver that trailer tomorrow. So we'll see in a minute. Let's check it out. Okay, well, we found out with them lines that we either going to have to go back to the original brass piece to go back in there, or we're going to have to get some fittings to fit in there, because what we found out coming, let me show y'all. Give me 1 second. Zoom this in. Okay, right here at the compressor, which is right there, which is a bigger piece, and the piece that comes out of that compressor is smaller. So my line is about as big as the piece that screws in here. So that's what the problem is. So we're gonna have to get an adapter to make it smaller, come out bigger, then come out and then get smaller and go into the line, or either we got to go back with the original brass line. Fortunately, it's Sunday. The Truck Pro is not open. Also, International Deal is not open. So we're gonna go ahead and end this video. We're gonna work on this tomorrow. We might finish filming it, I don't know. But other than that, that's gonna be the end of this. So, all right, so we're gonna end this video like that. Other than that, it's not a major job, but you know, it's not easy either. So make sure if you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you share, and make sure also you subscribe, and make sure you hit that feature great bell so when I do great videos like that. Other than that, y'all know what it is. Roll Tide Roll, baby, for life. Peace.